Right, okay, this is my second video of the Advent Vega. Now, I've noticed there's been a couple of problems. It's been very difficult for people to put the new custom ROM on. Me personally, as you can see from my first video, I experienced a problem last night with it. I was on the internet through the standard browser on the actual on the Vega. It booted me off the internet, put me back to desktop, went off, power off, everything went off, didn't come back on. I was running version 1.04 though, not the new 1.6 which Advent have got out now, which doesn't come with Flash. So I thought basically I'm going to have to redo it all, put the new version on, and take it from there. So I thought I'll try and do a little bit of a video. I mean, I can't go into the full I can't get too technical because I'm on my mobile and I'm going off footage. But doing it this way should get you the new custom ROM that Paul's developed and created with help of other people, I believe. So here we go. Okay. So basically, join the Vega forum, Android at Madako. This is the ROM there. Just basically scrolling down. This is where it creates the ROM. Now this ROM is, no doubt, if you bought the Vega after the 13th of December, it will come on the version 1.06 without Flash installed. Putting this ROM on with all the little add-ons, will have Flash as well. You click there to bake, download it to your desktop. To my desktop. Now, so when you download the actual ROM, download it to your desktop. I created a folder. As you can see there, I just called it MCR add-on. Easy as that. So when you download it, it'll be in a zip file. You right click, extract the files to a specified folder, obviously that being the specified folder. So when you right click, extract blah 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 to the folder, and it'll put them in that format. Okay, like that. Now you've got to be careful because there's one of the folders in there under the USB driver that is still in zipped format, which is that one, but that is it unzipped. Alright, you right click, extract files. So when you see the folder, it'll just be without that one, without the USB driver, it'll just be that. So you right click, extract files here, extract here. That then puts it in that format. You see there? Okay. So this is where people have been struggling, because you're getting, when you've got to update the driver in your device manager, it's that driver you're using there. Now because I've already had this done before, the drivers are in place, but if we go to in device manager, I mean, you guys may have found another easier way of doing this than this, but I personally think this is okay. So what you can do as well, open your folder up. The folder on your desktop that you've put all those files into, open it up and just have it either minimized or open. Okay, that's the way this is the way I do it. Now this bit here, obviously you can see all my drives, everything on there. Now I haven't got my Advent plugged in at the moment, but when you do, you want it in debug mode. So in your settings on development on your Vega, click debug mode, so click debugged. Okay, and that will show up and it'll say Android phone perhaps, or Android. You're looking for NVIDIA. Now one of the guys on the actual forum, if I can find it, has put how many things open? Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to my device manager. Right, so you'll have an NVIDIA driver along that lines. Right click NVIDIA. I'm going to next. I'm going to plug it in. So say that's the NVIDIA. Right click. You'll have update driver. Okay. So when you let's see if I can. So I can't do it because it's not going to do it. Update driver. When you click update driver, you'll be given two boxes. Search for the hardware automatically, or search for the hardware through your PC. You're going to search through the PC. You're going to find the folder on your desktop. Close all these down, get rid of that. Which is that folder there. Yeah? The folder that was up there. So when you're searching, you're looking for that folder on your desktop. So when you're clicking, so you find the software, click on USB driver, click on that one. There'll be a warning message coming up saying, do you sure you want to update? Click yes, you want to do it, blah blah blah. Get that out of the way, that's that done. Still leave it open if you want, I do. Leave it open. The next bit is going to run. CMD for command. Brings this command prompt up. Now in that bit there, you type, do you know, I'm trying to remember what you type in myself. Just bear with me, I'll tell you what you type in. If you give me 2 secs, I'll tell you. I'll do it all for you. If you bear with me. Right. When you get to the command prompt, that window there, you type in there. That there. You see it? Install Windows .bat. I'm on Windows Vista here, bearing in mind. Okay, you're going to put that in there with your Vega connected up in debug mode. Type it in, hit enter. Wow, does it all for you. It's easy now. And if you get any problems with your drivers that are not doing that, it's not working, it's your drivers, you need to go back into the device manager and you need to make sure that the path for the command prompt to see is this. The command prompt needs to see that. Okay? Now if you haven't unzipped that, the Tegra USB drivers, it will not work. It has to be unzipped. So if you've got all your folders in there, you click on USB driver and you've just got that one, and that isn't there, you haven't done it. You need to unzip it, extract files to here, as in the location there, and it'll create you two separate lines there. That is the one where you're telling it to update driver to. That's the path it needs to see, which is that there. Okay? You don't need to go into that. You just need to click that there as the software from where before when I mentioned to. Okay, hopefully you can follow that. Yeah, it's not easy. It is a bit tricky. I mean, I'm not computer literate by any means. I just thought I'd try and do a video, see if I can help a little bit. That's the way I've done it. That's the way it's worked. What I found was the second time I had to update obviously to the newer version and then put pause ROM back on, because I was originally on version 1.04, maybe version 5 perhaps, and then I had to update to version 6 and then put pause ROM back on. But because I've already downloaded all the USB drives and something like that, all I had to do was basically create that folder there from to get download and pause ROM, and when I connected when I did run the command prompts, type and install, it was already there. It found everything for me. So if you guys haven't done that bit, just do it the way I've shown you. You should be okay. And there was a very good section on the forum. This forum is fantastic. Real good bunch of lads. Very helpful. Obviously you'll need to read that as well. Re-enabling flash. Once you put everything onto the Vega, your flash isn't going to work. You need to enable a flash, which can be found in there on how to do it. You basically go into your iFile Manager on your system, on your Vega. You go into System, etc, shuttle priv, click MP files, and so on, and it should work. Hopefully that helps you. This forum's been very good for me. It's very good to get yourself onto the forum, read a lot of the stuff, lots of the questions that you ask. Sometimes on YouTube when you see videos, you can get them very much answered in here. You don't need to put the question on here. A lot of the subjects are covered on this forum. I found a lot of the answers out. I haven't asked too many questions. The only question I asked last night was about why it won't boot up. It was answered within 5 minutes. There it is. That's mine there. Won't boot. Answer very quickly. It's a good forum. One other point as well I need to make. It isn't free, by the way. You don't just get a free ROM downloaded for your Vega. You pay $9.99, I think it is. But believe me, it's worth every penny. You will see a difference. That I think it's lasts a year. You get a year then from a subscription of a year. Hopefully that helps. Enjoy it, have fun, but also keep yourself on this forum, keep active on this forum, because it is full of updates, new features, and so on. Remember the forum. Let's see. Okay. Catch you guys later. Leave some feedback if you want. If it wasn't detailed enough, if it was the video was a pile of crap, whatever, you know. I've tried to do it the best way, because it is to do it by stage. You can find a lot out on this forum. You've just got to read. You just need to read and do it stage by stage. You'll get there. It is frustrating, but you'll get there. Trust me. All right, guys. I'll catch you later. All right. Bye now. Bye.